Cardboard is a great sculpture material, but it comes in several different sizes and widths. So we have some thinner cardboard that we're going to use, as well as some thicker cardboard that's called corrugated cardboard, which has 3 layers with this wavy layer in the middle. We have to talk about some special tools that we can use for cutting cardboard. Some of these tools will work better for thinner cardboard, and some of them will work better for the thicker cardboard. So we're going to talk about how to use them safely and effectively. So we've got our cardboard scissors, our regular scissors, cardboard saws, and safety knives. For cutting the thinner cardboard, regular scissors are going to work just fine. You can cut straight or wavy lines and shapes with regular scissors on thin cardboard. Cutting the thicker cardboard, you're going to need some of the specialty cutting tools. This is called a safety knife, and you can kind of clip it around the top and drag it toward you to create straight lines. It can work okay on curved lines as well, but we found that the cardboard saw, you can saw it back and forth. That works really well on making curved lines or shapes. You can see how I'm holding it with my finger inside of the hole and gripping around the handle. You can also try the cardboard scissors. They're a little bit more heavy duty than regular scissors, so they work pretty well on thicker cardboard. Another thing to consider with the corrugated cardboard is if you're cutting with or across the grain. Because it has that wavy corrugation inside, you could see it might be different cutting with those lines versus cutting across them. They worked well for cutting with the corrugation grain, but sometimes cutting across the grain can be a little more difficult. So instead I'm going to try my saw and my safety knife and see what's going to work best for what I need. For cutting a curved line across a corrugated cardboard grain, you can try a few different things and see what works best for you. It works best to use the saw when standing instead of sitting. And you can say, I see that I am holding the cardboard in a safe place so that my hand is not near the blade of the cardboard saw. One of the cool things about corrugated cardboard is that you can actually peel off the paper on one side and you can see the corrugation, which is kind of a neat thing to do if you're trying to create different textures within your sculpture. There are the saws, the cardboard scissors, the safety knife, and the regular scissors that you can use for your cardboard sculpture. To use them all safely, you have to hold them properly, use the grip properly, make sure that you are aware of where your handles are and where your blade is. You want to be cutting away from yourself with this cardboard saw, just like you would with a pair of scissors. The blade is going away from your body, not toward your body. And your helper hand is holding the cardboard behind the blade, not in front of it. Again, these cardboard scissors can be used in several different ways. You hold them just like regular scissors with your thumb in the small hole and your other fingers in the oval, and cut them just like with regular scissors. You might have to go a little bit slower, but they work pretty well even on thicker cardboard. Plus, they have that really handy scoring tool if you want to score and be able to roll your cardboard around. You can also try the safety knife. You can see the blade part is up underneath that little U shape at the top. So you actually want to hook that U shape onto the edge of the cardboard and then pull it toward yourself in order to make your cut. We are excited to give you so many different options for cutting your sculpture material of cardboard, but we need you to use these tools safely or you will not get to use them anymore.